Good morning. Chapter ellipse, exercise 11.3, question number 18. The question is B equal to 3, C equal to 4. Center at origin. Foci on the x-axis, that is focus on the x-axis. Find the equation of the ellipse. Okay. So, equation focus on the x-axis means equation of the form. Okay, it is that is focus on the x-axis. No, the major axis on the x-axis. So major axis on the x-axis. Since
So the screen is not visible.
Okay, right. I think by on the x-axis so the equation of the form is, that is type 1 ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Okay, and it is given x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and it is given b equal to 3. So since b equal to 3, that is b square equal to 9 and c equal to 4, so c square equal to 16. Okay, now we have the relation we know a square equal to b square plus c square. So this equal to b square equal to 9 plus c square equal to 16, and 16 plus 9 is 25. 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so the required equation of the ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. So the required equation of the ellipse, hence the required equation of the ellipse is x square by 25 plus y square by b square is 9 equal to 1. This is the answer. Is okay? Hello? Everyone understand? Hello? Okay. Next question number 19. Okay. Question number 19. Center at 0, 0. Center at 0, 0. Major axis on the y-axis. Major axis on the y-axis. Major axis on the y-axis and passes through the points passes through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. Okay, so the question is center at 0, 0. Okay, major axis on the y-axis. So major axis y-axis means focus is on the y-axis. That means vertical ellipse type 2. Okay. So equation is x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1. Equation form, and passes through the points 3, 2 and 1, 6. Yes. So xy value. Since major axis on the y-axis, so the equation of the form is x square by b square plus y square by s square equal to 1. Okay. Now, since this equation passes through the point passes through the point 3, 2. Then put x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 in equation 1. This is equation 1. Okay, put x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 in equation 1. So we get, so 3 square, that is 9 by b square, plus 2 square is 4, 4 by a square equal to 1. Okay, x equal to 3, y equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Okay, also the ellipse passes through the point another point 1, 6. Okay, now put x equal to 1 and y equal to 6 in equation 1. So x equal to 1, that is 1 by b square, plus y equal to 6, 36 by a square equal to 1, equation number 3. Okay, hello? Okay,
Yes, sir.
now solving these two equations 2 and 3, solving equation 2 and 3, we get solving equation 2 and 3, equation 2 and 3, and find a square and b square value. So 4 by a square, okay, and 36 by a square. So multiply by 9, equation 2, then 4 into 9, 36. So multiply, okay, equation 2 by 9 and equation 3 by 1. We get, so by 9 into 9, 81. 81 by b square plus equation 2 by 9. 9 into 9, 81, plus 4 into 9, 36. 36 by a square. 36 by a square equal to 1 into 9, 9. Equal to 9. And equation 3 multiply by 1. So as it is, equation 3 write 1 by b square plus 36 by a square equal to 1. Okay. Now subtract these two equations. Sign will be changed, minus, minus, minus. So 36 by a square plus and minus. It will be cancelled. These two. Okay. And 81 minus 1, 80. So 80 by b square. 80 by b square equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. 8. Then 8 cross multiply, 8 b square equal to 80. Okay. Then b square equal to 80 by 8 equal to 10. Okay. B square equal to 10. Now write equation 2 and put b square equal to 10. So equation 2 is 9 by b square plus 4 by a square. Now 9 by b square plus 4 by a square equal to 1. Okay, put b square equal to 10. So use the value b square equal to 10, that is 9 by 10 plus 4 by a square equal to 1. Now 4 by a square equal to 4 by a square equal to 1 minus 9 by 10. Okay, 10 is the LCM, 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 by 10. Then cross multiply. So S square equal to 4 into 10, 40. Okay. A square equal to 40 and B square equal to 10. Okay. Therefore, the required equation of the ellipse, hence the required equation of the ellipse, hence the required equation of the ellipse is, so x square by 10 plus y square by 40 equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You don't understand? Okay. Next question number 20. Question is major axis on the x-axis and passes through the points and passes through the points. 2 points are given, 4, 3 and 6, 2. 6, 2. So major axis on the x-axis and passes through the points 4, 3 and 6, 2. Find the equation of the ellipse. Okay. So since major axis on the x-axis okay, so the equation of the form is, so major axis on the x-axis means focus is on the x-axis, so type 1. Okay, so x square y square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is equation number 1. Okay. Then since equation 1 passes through the point point 4, 3. Okay, then put x equal to 4 and y equal to 3 in the equation 1. X equal to 4, y equal to 3. So x equal to 4 That means 16 by a square plus y equal to 3. So y square 9, 9 by b square equal to 1. Equation number 2. Okay. Also the ellipse, that is equation 1. Equation 1 passes through the point another point is 6, 2. Then put x equal to 6 and y equal to 2. So x equal to 6, so 36 by a square plus y equal to 2, y square, that is 4, 4 by b square equal to 1. Equation number 3. Okay. Now solve these two equations 2 and 3 and find a square and b square. Solving equation 2 and 3. So 36 by a square and 16 by a square, 9 by b square and 4 by b square. Okay. So 4 into 9, 36. Okay. So equation, multiply equation 2 by 4. Equation 2 by 4 and equation 3 by 9. Okay. Then, so equation 2 by 4, so 4 into 16, 64, 64 by a square, 64 by a square plus 4 into 16, 4 into 9, 36, 36 by b square, 36 by b square equal to multiply by 4. So 1 into 4 equal to 4. Equal to 4. Okay. Then equation 3 multiply by 9. 4 into 9, 36. So 9 into 36. 9 into 36. 324, no? Okay. 9 into 36. 324 by a square plus 4 into 9, 36 by b square equal to 1 into 9 is 9. Okay. Now subtract minus. So 36 by b square, 36 by b square will be cancel these two. Then 324 minus 64 is 0.
260.
260, no?
Yes, sir.
By a square and sign is minus. negative sign. This equal to 4 minus 9 minus 5. Now both side minus sign will be cancelled. Then 5 square equal to 260. Then a square equal to 260 by 5 equal to 52. Okay? 52. Now take equation 2 and use a square equal to 52. So equation 2 is 16 by a square plus 9 by b square. Now 16 by a square plus 9 by b square equal to 1. A square equal to 52. So 16 by 52 plus 9 by b square equal to 1. So 9 by b square equal to 1 minus 16 by 52. Okay? (52) is the LCM. 52. Then 52 minus 16. 52 minus 16 equal to 36. By 52. Okay? So 9 by b square, 9 by b square equal to 36 by 52. Okay? Now cross multiply. 36 b square equal to 9 into 52. So b square equal to b square equal to 9 into 52 by 36. Okay? So 4 9 ja 4 9 36 and 4 13 52. So b square equal to 13. Okay? So b square equal to 13 and a square equal to 52. Hence the required equation of the ellipse is required equation of the ellipse is x square by 52 plus y square by 13. B square is 13. Y square by 13 equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, it is clear? All of you understand? Any question? Yes? Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.